Hey everyone, I'm Jayanti Ganapati, founder of ProcessWurks. Want to boost your accounting firm's visibility? Let's talk about using content marketing. Promote your accounting firm with content. 1. Blogs equals expertise. First up, blogs. Write insightful articles about tax updates or bookkeeping tips. It showcases your expertise. 2. Videos equals engagement. Videos. Create short tutorials or Q&A sessions. Videos engage clients more than any other medium. 3. Newsletters equals retention. Email newsletters. Summarize industry news or offer exclusive insights. Keep your clients in the loop. 4. Collaboration equals exposure. Collaborate. Partner with related businesses to share each other's content. It's a win-win. So, don't wait. Start promoting your accounting firm with content marketing today. For more tips, follow ProcessWurks.